Now, if you've ever driven the interstate between Burlington and Greensboro, surely you have seen the signs pointing to replacements. You might even know that it is a massive 5 million square foot building that is filled to the rafters with dinnerware, glassware, flatware, jewelry, and collectibles too. But as Rick Sullivan discovered, unless you've stopped by to check it out personally, you are missing out on an adventure.
We have items very budget friendly all the way up to luxurious items, but there is something for everybody. We have more than 475,000 different tableware and silver and collectible patterns.
Tableware and silverware are the most popular merchandise items at Replacements. After all, you can likely find a replacement for your grandma's broken cup and saucer just as easily as a current design. But this massive showroom and the warehouse the size of 8 football fields has a lot more going on.
We have more than 350 employees here now. Some of us have been here for more than 20 years. I think there are about 80 of us now.
The average tenure for employees is more than 17 years, and they come from more than 40 different countries. You can see them at work when you request a free tour.
We're very proud of that diverse workforce that we have here. We offer tours of the facility every day of the week, beginning at 10 a.m. They're about a 30-minute walking tour throughout the warehouse. In our museum, you'll find all sorts of patterns. 2 that we feature here are by the brand Royal Copenhagen, and they happen to be 2 of our oldest patterns. They're more than 200 years old, and they're both still active patterns. This is what we refer to as our Great Wall of China here at Replacements, and this cabinet holds 500 of our best-selling patterns, arranged alphabetically first by brand and then by pattern. We're in what we refer to as Bob's Vintage Attic. It's our newest endeavor. Art, home decor, furniture, antiques, and so much more. It's our shipping area where we process around 2,000 orders every day. That number doubles during the holidays to around 4,000 orders. In our inventory area, we process approximately 7,000 pieces every day.
From assessing the incoming products to repairing and inventorying them, employees keep busy moving the process along.
How long have you been here, Maddie?
About 5 months.
How you liking it here?
I absolutely love it.
You know it's a happy, healthy workplace when employees can bring their furry friends to work.
What's her name?
Baby. Reese.
Reese Pig.
She goes by Reese, she goes by Pig, whatever.
Hello, baby. How are you?
Pets are welcome here. The owner, Bob Page, who was on a buying trip when I visited, loves animals as much as the people he employs, and even the people he hasn't met, who might need a leg up.
We're in Bob's Closet. Basically, in Bob's Closet, we provide a week's worth of clothing to anyone in need in the community. And last year, we served over 3,000 people with over 67,000 items of clothing.
One more very important part of the warehouse tour, the repair shops. This one's for silver. You might want to fix rather than replace your piece.
We can help with every aspect of silver repair or polishing here. We have a very talented team.
You came for the china, but decided to take the tour. And before you go, you might want to stay a while at the jewelry boutique.
We started jewelry in 2017, watches in 2018. We've had pieces ranging in price from $150,000 to $40,000. Our selection of jewelry is very unique, but the estate jewelry focuses from $249,000 up to, we've got a necklace that's $55,000, everything in between. The emerald down at the bottom I think is over 9 carats alone, and the cabochon here on top, 33 or 43 carats, yeah. It's just, the diamonds are unbelievable, really. You don't see those too often.
Replacements is at 1089 Knox Road in McLeansville, and they're open Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. For more information, give them a call at 800-737-5223 or visit them online at replacements.com.